Hi there, Doc Mountain here, and I want to show you how you can withdraw money from Baat Live. So what you do is you open Baat Live, then you click in the bottom right corner so that you access the profile and you happen to check out the amount of beans that you have. So network is pretty bad and is still loading. What you do is you head on to the Withdrawal wallet. Let's head on to Binance. Then we click Binance. The moment we are in, we have to click wallets. Okay, so when you're in, click spot on top there, then click deposit. Okay, so what you need to do is you click USDT and then choose the network. Okay, you can click choose network. So go by TRC20 Tron, the one on top, and then you copy the wallet address that you wanna say, that you will say. So after copying the wallet address, head back to Baat Live, then click cash out. Okay, so when you click there, you'll see these options. Do you want to withdraw by ePay, USDT? Click USDT. Remember, on Binance we had gone by USDT. Then payment method, click USDT TRC20, and boom, we're good to go. So here, what you need to do is you swipe up and then punch in the amount of beans that you want to cash out. So here we want to cash out 100,000. That's 100,000. Then at the bottom here, paste in the wallet address that you copied from that side. Then you paste even in the other box. Thereafter, you need to click confirm and you'll be good to go. And just like that, you see that the amount of beans has actually dropped down. So after withdrawing your kwacha menu, you stay put and start waiting for the money to come through. So if you're not yet on Baat Live, just check for the link in the description section and click it. Then you will see a message like Hardboard has actually invited you to be the host. Click accept and then alert me so that I begin to teach you how to make money on Baat Live.